You saw me make some apple cider from scratch, and now we're gonna jazz it up a bit and make an apple cider smash cocktail. I'm gonna show you how to do it if you have friends coming over, if you have family coming over, a little fall kickback. This is a great signature drink to have up your sleeve. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So we have our bottled, chilled apple cider. This is the homemade apple cider that we made in the Instant Pot that has been fermenting, okay, for the past couple of days. We have our whiskey. I'm using Drambuie. You can use whatever type of whiskey you like. And then of course we're gonna top it with some sparkling wine. I love Prosecco when I'm using sparkling wine in kind of like mixed cocktails because it's still really good quality, but also like not champagne and not overpowering. So it's a really great add-in. And then for our fruit, we have some Honeycrisp apples, and we also have some freshly sliced lemon wedges and some lemon juice. And then for garnish, we have our stunning cinnamon sticks. And we're just gonna get right into it, y'all. We go, make it do what it do. So this recipe is as easy as combining all the ingredients into a pitcher and closing it, keeping it chilled, or serving it right away over some ice. It's totally up to you. This is such a great cocktail to batch and to just let it sit and absorb and really get extra delicious. I find that letting the apples and the lemon sit a bit in the drink allows it to be even better. So I hope you'll give this a try and let me know what you think about the recipe. You can find it in the description bar below. Our apple cider smash is done and it's ready for you to enjoy. Hopefully you learned a little bit from this recipe and now you know how to make a batch-sized cocktail in a pitcher, and it's fall appropriate, it's warm, it's so spicy but also just smooth and delicious. Perfect for guests, perfect to just have on hand for you if you want. Whatever you like, let me know in the comments down below if you're going to give it a try, and be sure to click this video and watch it next.